the end of this pandemic. Yes, it's not finished yet, but at relax, visiting and seeing other people. You will feel that while your visit to Expo. And then after that visit, you feel a bit due today here in the Federal National Council, you and your delegation. His Excellency.
Нашите две земји навистина имаат добри односи и од двете страни и мислам дека
I'm pleased and happy that we had the time to visit us, relation to the Parliament, relation between the two parliaments. Our two countries. Expo is one of the to show North Macedonia people the knowledge, whatever you present in your pavilion. And I think this visit is a very good opportunity to discuss these bilateral parliamentary relations. This represents زايد فوق. هذه تمثل قاعة زايد اللي هي قاعة البرلمان. حوالي ما يقارب 25% أو
جزء عن دار
50% رجال و 50%
نساء.